The thing that makes the Motorola Moto G5 Plus, $229.99 at jet.com, the best budget phone on the planet is that, for the most part, it doesn't feel like one at all. It looks, feels, and operates like a much pricier phone, which means that wallet watchers are getting a great deal. This is just Moto continuing its trend of providing more features than other inexpensive Android phones. This year's model improves on last year's Moto G4 Plus with a modern, metal body, more storage, Android 7.0 Nougat, Google Assistant, new Moto gestures, NFC, in the UK model, a really good camera and 4K video, all while remaining delightfully affordable. Price is below. But this generation of the Moto G, $234.44 at Amazon.com. Family also includes the slightly cheaper Moto G5. Both phones have a similar metal body design, but the G5 has a smaller screen, half the storage and a weaker processor. The G5 isn't offered everywhere. For example, it won't be sold in the US. But even if it were, the G5 Plus would be the better value. Lots of Moto models. The Moto G5 Plus costs $229, 32GB, $299, 64GB, or £249, 32GB, depending on the model. Each model differs slightly when it comes to storage, RAM and NFC. Motorola hasn't yet announced an Australian model, but the US price converts to $300 and $390. Since the G5 Plus is a universally unlocked phone, it will work on all major US and UK carriers. It's worth checking compatibility with your carrier if you're unsure. The dual SIM option on Moto G5 Plus is only available in select regions globally in Latin America, Europe, and Asia.